Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your notification panel on this device. So as you can see right now I have the default standard one notification panel, but actually you can customize it. Firstly, you have to download the app OneShade Custom Notifications and Quick Settings, then tap Open. Then you have to enable all the permissions it requires. And now you can customize your notification bar. As you can see, I already have another one, but you can customize it here. For example, you can customize its layout. You can change the quick settings icon's shape. Some of them are for free. The ones with this Pro are not for free. You have to pay for them actually. You can change grid tails, but you have to pay for it too, unfortunately. So as you can see, some features are for free and others are payable. So download the app, check what you can change, what you can't. For example, you can set the brightness slider in here. You can show power button menu. Nice feature. What else can you change? You can change its colors here. For example, you can set up another background color. Set this one, for example. You can active tile color. You can change its color too. And as you can see, now my notification bar looks stylish like this. You can change text color. Wow, unbelievable. And a lot of other things what you can change here. Beautiful, just beautiful. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.